Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to fix Bluetooth icon missing in Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very simple error and I give the simple solution. First, we see our error. I go to the taskbar. Here we find show hidden icons. Click it here. And in this icon list, we not find our Bluetooth. This is our problem and solution is very simple and basics. Go to the start and here type settings. Click on the settings. In settings, we find many options. Go to the right hand side and here we find Bluetooth and devices. Click on Bluetooth and devices. In Bluetooth and devices, here we find many options. Scroll down and here we find devices. Click on the devices. In devices, we find many options. Scroll down and here we find more Bluetooth settings. Here we find more Bluetooth settings. Click on more Bluetooth settings. New option is pop up. I minimize it. Here is the new option and here we find one option, show the Bluetooth icon in notification area. If it's unselected or unchecked, then select this, check this and click on apply, click on OK. Go to the taskbar, click on the show hidden icons and here we find Bluetooth devices. If Bluetooth devices is not found at this point, then go to the start and restart your machine. And after that, after restart, Bluetooth is showing in your notification area or in your icon list. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.